friend, welcome. Hope you are doing well today. You are with Two Gringos on the Gulf. We're going to do another little walking tour. You might as well come along for the walk, chicos. Alright, we're going to head down to El Centro here, my friend. And then we're going to venture off. And little Cece, he stayed at home today. He didn't want to come out for a walk. He was tired from our market run today. So he's at home resting. And it looks like we might get some rain, my friend. A little bit cloudy. Let's go see what we can see here in Oaxaca City, Mexico.
Vámonos, vámonos.
Well, my friend, it wouldn't be a walking tour if we didn't get a shot of Santo Domingo. Not too bad down here today. There's a few people. Oh, let's carry on, carry on. Come on, my friend. Let's go, let's go. Aww. That could be us, but you don't like to jog. All right, my friend, we are now in the Zócalo. Let's carry on, carry on. Saturday afternoon, about 1 o'clock. A lot of tourists. A lot of local tourists. I'm sure there's a few gringo tourists too, but I'm noticing a lot of local tourists. Yeah, so it says it's 23 with a real feel at 25 Celsius. But I'll tell you, Chico, she feels like it's 35 with this humidity. You can see the clouds up there, just pure clouds. Had a couple sprinkles, that's it so far. We got our umbrellas, so we're okay today. We'll see how we make out. Well, you can see the amphitheater up there, guys, where we were before. All right, my friend, we're just gonna grab something to drink here. Cute little cafe shop. Well, not really a cafe shop, just a drink shop.
Ice cream shop.
Ice cream shop. We got a little friend here with us.
There's a big one behind you.
Yeah, there's a great big one behind me. Oh yeah, is there ever a big one? Kind of a cute little spot here. So now we're the three amigos again. That was really fast. Like it wasn't even 5 minutes.
It's already made.
Yeah, it was our pre-made, yeah. Sitting in the frozen, yeah. It was really quick anyway. So I got the passion fruit and Jennifer got the mango. How's yours, babe? Mine is really good, actually.
I'm sorry. I can make that at home. We got passion fruit. And ice.
Wow, we got a photo shoot here, a wedding photo shoot. That's a beautiful church. Wow. right, my friend, let's go explore some more of this beautiful city here. All right, my friend, I always bike by here, so I wanted to stop and check out the church here. And we didn't know what was all down there, so that was kind of cool. Glad you joined us. Oh, well, carry on, my friend. Let's go, vamonos, vamonos. Well, we always leave the square from Santo Domingo. A lot of times we'll bike this way and then go down here, the street, and then we'll make a left a couple blocks away. So, yeah, nice to get out on foot and explore the area instead of whipping by here at 30 miles an hour on the bike. So 33-year anniversary for the municipal police. There you go, right there. See the houses on the hill up there, way off in the distance. Oh, it smells good down here. Making me hungry. I'm almost ready for a taco. I don't know about you. Are you ready for a taco? What do you think? Nice little area back here. Very cool. Yeah, it really smells good down here. Oh-ho. I think we're gonna grab a taco here pretty quick, guys. Hold on, my friend. Yeah, we'll just do a quick walk through here, my friend. Like Jennifer said, it is all toys, all stuff for little kids, boys and girls. Lots of dinosaur stuff and a lot of cars, M&Ms, stickers. The Hulk. All right, my friend, we just got off that busy street here. So we're quite a ways away from downtown area now. We just went by the Sorianas, the one that's just outside of El Centro. So we're just gonna walk down here and then head back on the hunt for a taco, my friend.
Y así suena la frontera Bugalú.
All right, my friend, we got a little railway museum here. I guess I would come down and check it out. You might as well come along. See what there is to see. Oh, there's a little climbing wall over there for kids, a very small one. Oh, they got a mini zip line. Look at this. There's little kids doing a little zip line there. He's bouncing on it. It's so mini. That's awesome. You see the mini zip line, babe?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, he's enjoying himself. Oh, a little bit of artwork in here. Kind of cool. Very, very nice. There's the corn. Gotta have the corn. And you got some fake corn stalks over here. Oh, it's all for the children. Got a little corn maze. Okay, this kind of looks like volunteer type stuff here. So they've added a bunch of grass in there in that muck pile. Now they're all getting in there with their bare feet and mixing it all up. So they're building something. Not quite sure what it is, but they're definitely building something. So they're mixing that all up with their feet. Interesting anyway. You want to go get in the muck there, Jen? No? I'll pass too. We're gonna vamanos, my friend. Well, we might as well take a quick peek of the model here. Very, very cool. Before we head out. Look at that, eh? Very, very cool. Interesting. All right, my friend, we had to get off our feet here for a little bit, so we're gonna grab a bite to eat in this cute little coffee shop restaurant here. We're just outside a busy street here. I'm gonna get the pollo al mixto for 95 pesos and a Coke, and I'm not sure what Jennifer ordered. Ooh, I got chicken wrapped in foil with some rice. Hopefully it's spicy. Breaded pork. Looks good. Little salad. Okay, provecho. Let's dig in. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Ooh. Let's watch Jen eat. Okay, let's not and say we did.
That's not bad. So which is it?
Oh, okay. Ah, it's a little pricey. Okay. Our lunch was, careful here, 280 pesos. So, it just seemed a little pricey when you broke it out. Like it was 95 pesos a meal. And the Cokes were 45 pesos for a can of Coke. So for one Coke, you know, it wasn't, oh my God, it was amazing. It was just okay. So, but we got full belly, so that's all that really matters. And now we're getting a little bit of rain. As you can see, we got the umbrella going here. We're probably getting all fogged up here. So we're gonna make our way back, guys. Okay, we're walking down Indepensia. 1895, it says on top of that building there. We're heading back to the square here, my friend. Along this busy road. Looks like the Zócalo right here. It is the Zócalo right here. Right here to the right's the Zócalo, chicos. Looks nice. Nice in the rain. Well, my friend, I would say that she's socked in for the day now. We're all tucked away under our umbrellas here. Jennifer stopped and bought some new shoes. How much were your shoes, babe?
469 pesos.
So 470 pesos. She got some new kicks. And she's been walking around in hiking shoes. Not really ideal for city walking. Oh, we got something going on down here. Let's go down there and check it out. Let's go down there. Look at. They're angry. Angry. Yeah, we got Festivities. There's another puddle. Catch up to them. You never know what you're gonna find, even in the rain. Okay, yeah, graduation celebration. Yeah, you're probably right. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, that's it. That's all, my friends. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Remember, smash that like button. If you've not yet subscribed, please do so. You'd be doing us a huge favor. And we really, really appreciate you guys being here with us today. God bless you all. Take care. Adios. Hasta luego. Okay, I had to stop and have a drink there. Couldn't say no to a free shot. We're just going from one celebration to another here. Walking the streets.